Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am on the latest Odoo 18.4 version on my trial database, which is available on SaaS. And here I would like to explore some features which are introduced by Odoo with 18.4, and that is specific to website and its availability. So let's check one by one. The first feature is on the website when we go and configure our attributes. Now with any attributes, I can even select on product card information to show the variant, image as a thumbnail. So this is the setting which is made available in Odoo 18.4. After enabling this, when I apply this particular attribute on my product and I go to my website, it will show in similar way. But when I go to my shop page, now you can see it will also enable this particular option to directly connect with my product from this thumbnail images. So this is a very good feature, a kind of intuitive feature for end user to explore product and its variant very easily like this. The second feature is Odoo has also introduced the layout change of this product. This is a new layout. You can see a box layout. When I go to edit option over here, I can make a default style, which is my default style, which is even available in present version 18, 18.1 or previous version. But now I have option to shift it to boxed layout, which is looking like this. And even I have one more option, that is large layout, which is even more clear. So this is how I can even change the styling of the product page with 18.4. Now the another cool feature which Odoo introduced with version 18.1 onwards, that is units and packaging. Now what Odoo has does Odoo has merged the packaging and unit of measure. So we don't have unit of measure category anymore. There can be some disadvantage, but I would like to explore the advantage right now. So when I am defining any unit and counterpart, packaging based on that units, even I can add more options on my product. So let's say I have defined a product honey, which is coming and selling in a unit. But in my sales, I can even now define packaging. So based on this packaging, now I can sell it easily on my sales order. And with 18.4, I can also make this packaging option available on our website. So now you can see the default unit is available as a primary unit of measure with 50 rupees. Now based on pack of 6, it will multiply, and even I can buy 6 or I can buy 12 according to my unit of measure price, and it can make available here. Now let's run an example where I am selling something in kg, like a kind of fruits I am selling in kg. Okay, so 100 rupees per kg is my normal unit of measure. But now if I go over here in unit of packaging, the corresponding is available, maybe is gram, which is my primary unit of measure, but I want to introduce 5 kg pack, and here I can define 5 kg as a package type. If I want to introduce 500 gram, then I can even define 500 and corresponding unit is gram. So this way I can introduce more unit of measure, and then I can easily associate it over here with 500 gram as an option, as well as 5 kg as an option. Now having said this, 100 rupees is per kg price. Now if I go to my website then my default price is per kg 100, but if I want to choose 500 gram, it will automatically adjust my pricing based on main unit of measure kg to the half 50, and for 5 kg it will be 500. Not this only. Now let's say if I want to introduce my sales module, and then if I want to apply even more in terms of pricing, then definitely inside the sales we can also introduce the pricing over here, where I can define on basically any product. And then if I say minimum is 5 kg, then if I want to apply a discount of 10%, and let's say if I am applying this particular thing over here and on the website, and then if I run through my website and go to shop, and this is the fruit. Now let's say here, then you can see the price list can also be applicable based on this. Yeah, the price list is a simple way to even work out on this way. So yeah, so price is based on like packaging is still not available, but yes, now you can even define based on this, based on your minimum quantity duration validation. One more thing which I am reading through, like mobile cart summary view. So if I go to my website and if I am making anything, add to cart, let's say this 2 items add to cart, and then if I go to mobile view, so this is how it will show in our cart summary. You can see summary is now looking very good, and I can easily process with my checkout very easily over here. So mobile view is also improved with this. Another thing is like shop page categories are removed. So if any product is uncategorized, it is not displayed, but you can forcefully display also. So this is how Odoo has massively improved some of the very good feature incorporated with Odoo 18.4 version, and it is available for Odoo Online SaaS edition. So these are some of the very good feature which one can explore with their latest implementation with 18.4 over e-commerce website packaging and many more. Hope this will help many people to understand these features and its applicability easily. Thank you guys. Good day.